This is exactly why you need escrowseo.com. You have these India companies that spam you continuously. I'll show you. I've been working on this. These people are, I am creating a base camp for SEO, and then AdWords, obviously, you have to pay for, they're trying to say. So they also set up this base camp here for us, saying log in and, enter all your information in, okay? So this is imarkinfotech.com. These people obviously did no research on anything, okay? So they sent up a base camp for All-Star Weekend Charlotte, which is a company I run with in conjunction with the NBA. So you can go to any incognito window here, so you clear cache. And one of the hardest keywords of all time is going to be NBA All-Star Weekend. And we'll go 2019. And the number one Google search is All-Star Weekend Charlotte. So here you have an India company basically hitting up people outranking the NBA number one for keywords, okay? Talking about they're going to help me. They can increase my Google ranking. You see what I'm saying? So, again, they cannot, if I remember the password here, they can't, what are they going to do for me? You know what I'm saying? They're just going to freaking, there's nothing that they can do. So they're trying to get $250 a month out of me right here for keywords for a website I'm already ranking on top of Google for the hardest keywords in ever. So, I mean, I'm even going to put a little thing down here by iDrive Media. I'm going to put powered by iDrive Media. Escrow SEO. And hyperlink that. So, you get what I'm saying here? You got these companies that are just bombarding all these people when you're spamming here, when you buy a domain saying, send us $250, we'll get you started right now. Here's a big to-do list, base camp. We're going to get you going. These people don't know anything. So, you'll see here, I'll just log out now. I mean, this is a website that's done millions of dollars in sales for NBA All-Star, and they're trying to get me to do SEO. I mean, they literally had the nerve to be like, we can help you, So now you see down here, Escrow SEO is going to be powered by that. So, again, you need Escrow SEO to handle these people. If they, all you got to say, hey, yeah, I'll use you, but you got to go through Escrow SEO. So, we're here to help you. And sign up at Escrow SEO. You can, if you ever get bombarded with them or you want to use them, just say, hey, we go through Escrow SEO. If you want to do it, we will release the funds to them once they give us a report. We're not going to go in here in a base camp and do all this and hope that they give you a thing. They can't help me rank anything for that keyword. So why would I, you know what I mean? So again, Escrow SEO, this company is iMark. I don't know if I showed you that. It's the iMark company. I want to make sure that they get that correctly done because I want to make sure that they're aware that that's the company that's doing it, so you understand. I'm not just calling them out, So, click on this. Here, this Shivana Mattel is going to, analytics at imarkinfotech.com. So, that's the company right there. And again, I think I blogged about them on the escrowseo.com, but I just want to, again, put it out there for everyone to see.